Yes, Hana. Just briefly on Hana's New Year's resolution, she has a list of things that she has to and wants to accomplish during that year. So yeah, that's her New Year's resolution story.
Yeah.
It's all yours. Help me welcome.
Good evening.
Good evening.
When Japanese medical doctor Yoshinori-Nagumo suggested to us one very interesting thing for our health in his bestseller book, the title Eating 1 Meal a Day, it is that hunger is the key. The growling sound from our stomach every day is very important for our health. So, if we can never hear any growling sounds from our stomach every day, we are exposed to the environment of many serious health problems like obesity, various diseases, and cancer, etc. But if we can hear 3 times growling sounds from our stomach every day, we can get 3 great benefits of youth, longevity, and health, he said. Because the first growling sound causes growth hormone, rejuvenation hormone to be secreted from our brain, which makes us younger and more attractive. And the second growling sound causes serotonin gene, longevity gene to work, which prevents all adult diseases and even cancer. And the third growling sound causes our visceral fat to be burned and changed into nutrients. And also, from the visceral fat, a miracle hormone adiponectin is secreted, which prevents arterial sclerosis and cleans the inside of our blood vessels. But to hear 3 times growling sound, we need a long time of at least 12 hours of being empty stomach after eating food. So, eating 3 meals a day is very bad and stupid for us. Nagumo strongly said, it is very wise and important for us to try to hear even 1 growling sound by making our stomach empty by skipping 1 or 2 meals a day. However, for ordinary people, skipping 2 meals a day and keeping 12 hours of being empty stomach after eating food can be very hard. Instead of that, it can be much easier for us to try to hear even try to skip only 1 meal a day. Then we'll be hear 1 or 2 times growling sounds, even if not 3 times. Thank you.
Again, please take 30 seconds timer.